their own respective portals or small portals or agency portals or roles. Next. So initially, we have identified our stakeholders for phase 1 of the project, but we're going to be expanding this membership in the succeeding phases of the project. So we have these stakeholders for phase 1. So we have DOST, DNR, MMDA, DepEd, and so on and so forth. Now, ultimately, in the long run, we want that this project will be able to establish a system that would institutionalize a mechanism for sharing and accessing of sharing of and accessing to information, and then be able to address like issues with regards to geospatial information. And in particular, we're talking of we're envisioning one multi-scale framework data set to be used for everyone, built up in the geospatial databases, geoportal surveys, policies and procedures, value-added goods and services, and I mentioned this earlier, broader private sector participation. Next. So these are the project components as part of our submission to the CICT, which is applicable now. And we have data build-out and integration, applications development, ICT infra, training, capability development, policy framework, institutionalization, phases 2 and 3 plans, and project management. Now, I've said before, and I'm going to say it again, that data build-up and integration is the most important component of this project. In the same way as data is the most important component of the Philippine geoportal system. Okay, just imagine, for instance, that take away the data from the project, or this component from the project, or take away the data from the Philippine geoportal system, and you have applications development, the hardware, the training, and so on and so forth. So what do you have? A geoportal system without the data. So remember, the data is the lifeblood of this project or of the system. So the Philippine geoportal system would be nothing without the data. Okay, put back the data on the equation. Okay, and take away all the rest of the applications. Still, geoportal would run. Diba? Nandiyan pa rin yung data eh. The Philippine geoportal system will still function as it is envisioned to, but without all the other components. Tatago pa rin siya, kaya lang it's going to be somehow very disorganized. Diba? Walang policy, walang hardware, walang software. Walang project management. But it's going to run with the data. So you just imagine a Philippine geoportal system with the data, but no hardware and so on and so forth. Okay? So what I'm saying is that data is in fact the most important component of the system. Next. 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 Okay, as far as governance structure is concerned, this is how the structure looks like. We have the project steering committee, we have the project management team, and several PWGs down here. And the project steering committee is in fact headed by our Secretary Pahe, who is also the project sponsor. And the project management team is headed by Nambia. And then we have the different PWGs below the project management team, which takes care of the development of the different components as I mentioned earlier. Okay, next. Now, Secretary Pahe is the sponsor, the project owner is our administrator, and our project manager is Deputy Administrator Linda Papa. Okay, as we progress in the development of the Philippine Geoportal project, we are not exempt, in fact, from encountering issues and concerns. So, for instance, we are challenged by the quality of data being shared among the Philippine geoportal system. Okay, assuming that the data are available, the next question is, so what kind of data do we upload to the system? Diba? So, meron question there. So, our solution is that we want that the agencies themselves should be responsible for the quality of data that they upload to the portal. Okay? So, we have this instrument called data sharing agreement, which, well, a little bit debatable, but that's one way we could actually ensure that the data uploaded to the portal is of quality. Okay? And in fact, we have trained some of those agency representatives in GIS just to ensure that in their development of geospatial databases, they have to consider quality as part of the build-up of the data. Okay? So the next issue would be the low level of GIS development among agencies, which may result in underdevelopment of agency sectoral nodes. Now, one remedy here is that we request that all agencies, especially those GI producing agencies, would include GIS as part of their ISSP, or what we call the Information Systems Plan, that we submit to the National Procurement Center every 3 years. So we want GIS as part of the ISSP. Okay? The third challenge is the low level of appreciation about BGP. So this is one venue that we want to do every now and then because we want to promote as part of our advocacy the Philippine Geoportal. Okay? So we want to gather support from you and we want you to appreciate what we're doing. Okay? And then, of course, there could be some issues about the urgency of the approval of policies that we have drafted. And of course, the sustainability of the Geoportal, not only financially, but technically and operationally. Next. Okay, these are the deliverables. Next. So we have, in fact, I'm reporting to you the status of the project. So we have conducted several meetings, and we have conducted 2 steering committee meetings already. And we have drafted a memorandum of understanding. Supposedly, this document would sort of gather support from the different stakeholder agencies, especially from the secretary level. So we want support from these secretaries for the project. So another document that we have drafted is the policy document actually. So we're talking of data sharing, access, data standards and exchange, and even clearinghouse and network. So we have already drafted this particular issue once that we want to be later on as an executive order or any other kind of instrument. Okay, next. And this is what I mentioned earlier, the data sharing agreement. Okay. This data sharing agreement will ensure 5 minutes. Okay, this data sharing agreement will just ensure that, remember the quality of data uploaded to the portal, we want that to ensure the quality of the data. So, although this is very debatable, because in some other countries, I've heard that this is not being practiced anymore, the data sharing, because they believe that you can download any data that you want from the portal at your own risk. In fact, the contention is that the Geoportal is produced by government using taxpayers' money. So why do we need to come up with a data sharing agreement after all? Okay, so just to give you an idea, next. So this is the kind of data that, this is the format or the form you're going to use for the sharing of data next. Okay, these are the terms and conditions. For one for instance, is geospatial data provided and shared by the agency to NARIA shall be used exclusively for the build-up of the Philippine Geoportal database. These addresses actually the issue of data ownership and data custodianship. Now, we want that, although the data should be housed in the portal, so temporarily we are the custodian of the data, but it doesn't mean that we can actually sell the data or use it for other purposes, commercial purposes or what have you. So we cannot do that. It has to be the agency itself, the owner of the data. Next. The agency shall be responsible for the accuracy, integrity, and currency of the data. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. We will not impose guarantee from the agency for the reliability of the data. We just want them to practice some degree of responsibility when it comes to producing this geospatial information. Next. No agency's geospatial data, partly or wholly, in geodatabase format, may be reproduced or distributed by NARIA without prior permission of the agency. So this talks about data protection. We want that the agency should be responsible for the giving away of geospatial information. So in case the agency would that Amri or does it, we could come up with a supplemental agreement where the agency could actually use their own another agreement with the user agency. Next.